Kela urai di luhur.
Video.
Yes, I did. What are you doing?
Trying to cut this pipe.
Why?
Slice my fingers off.
Why you need to cut the pipe? What's the problem?
The problem is, I've got to put a stopcock between the torrent, which is the water tank, which is up on the roof. Needs an opening valve to allow it to be drained at the moment and to release any air should the torrent become empty. So I'm just installing that. This is what's called a Indonesian man's saw, because having handles is considered effeminate. So we have to learn. It's not easy actually getting the hang of it. Once it goes, it goes. Try not to cut my fingers to shreds.
That's why you're using that cloth.
Yeah, I'm sure a real Indonesian wouldn't bother.
Oh. Yeah, you're a bit feminine. Yeah, you're a bit soft.
A bit soft here.
Sorry.
Bless you. So I've just put that on there.
Sorry about that.
That should go on there. I've got to solvent weld it first, and I just need another bit of pipe to go here.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Thank you.